Trust me, when I say creating these kinds of videos with multiple characters but maintaining its consistency is one of the hardest things to do. Or have you ever tried creating videos with AI, but then the images were not tallying even with the same prompts, same description, literally nothing changed, but the images are just not the same? This is a general problem, and so in this video, I will show you how to fix that using a particular AI consistent character features. This tool allows you to design the character, train the AI to remember it, and then multiple images where the character stays the same in every scene. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to use this tool to create a full story with consistent characters from start to finish. No more random changes in hair, face, and the outfit. I will also show you how you can use the tool for social media. So let's get started immediately. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's dive into the video. Head over to the website. Once you're there, log in with your Google account. After logging in, click on New Project to get started. Now here, give your project a name. Next, select the aspect ratio for your project. I recommend choosing 16:9 because it's perfect for YouTube video. Now on the left sidebar, you will see different tools, including text-to-image, image-to-image character, AI video, AI editor, and more. Click on Character. In this character section, you will find 3 important features: consistent character, character sheet, and insert character. We'll use the consistent character tool to train the AI to remember our character. To do this, we need to create a preset with multiple images showing the character in different poses. But before that, we need to make those images using the character sheet tool. This tool helps us create different angles of the character, which is important for training the AI properly. First, you need to choose an image style for your character. DZine AI offers a wide range of styles, including realistic 3D portrait, anime, and many more. You can pick any style that suits your story, but for this example, I will go with Flux one. Next, describe your character's appearance in the prompt box. Include details like age, gender, hairstyle, facial features, and outfit to get the best results. After that, select the 16:9 aspect ratio and click Generate. It's a good idea to create 2 or 3 images and then choose the best one. Here are my results. As you can see, the character is generated in 3 different views: front view, back view, and side view. This is very important for getting better results when creating a consistent character. Having these different angles ensures that the AI understands the character's full appearance, making it easier to generate accurate and consistent images in different scenes. Next, you can train your character in 2 different ways: manually or using the auto method first. I'll show you how to do it manually. Start by double-clicking the image to move it to the canvas. Now click on the Layers tab on the left side. Here, you need to duplicate the image 3 times since we have 3 different poses. Now click on the image and select the crop tool. Make sure not to crop it too tightly. Leave some space around the character. Then click Done. Next, click the icon to hide this image. Now select the second image. Click Crop. Adjust the crop area as needed. And click Done. Repeat the same process for the third image. Once all 3 images are cropped, select any one of them and click Fit to Content to properly align it. Now that we have our character images ready, it's time to train them for a consistent character. Click on Consistent Character. Then select Choose Character. You will see some default characters that were previously created. To create a new character, Click on New Character. Now give your character a name and upload the 3 images we just downloaded. Once the images are uploaded, click Train. The training process usually takes 15 to 20 minutes to complete. Once done, you'll have a fully trained character that you can use throughout your story. Now let's create the second main character for our story without doing it manually. First, go to Character Sheet, select your preferred style, and enter a prompt describing the character's appearance. Once you're done, click Generate. When the image is ready, you can create more variations by clicking the Variation button. This will generate similar versions of your character with slight changes. Go through the images and select the best one, making sure it includes all necessary views front, back, and both sides to get the best results. If you want to train your character automatically without manually cropping the images, click on Build Character. This will automatically split the images into different views, so you don't have to do it yourself. Now, enter a name for the character and click Train just like before. The training process will take around 20 minutes to complete. Once both of our characters are trained, we can start creating our story using them to help. With this, I use ChatGPT to generate my story scene by scene. I have my special prompt. If you need it, indicate in the comments. This prompt will help us structure our story scene by scene. You can also modify it to fit your needs. Now paste this prompt into ChatGPT and let it generate a complete story for you. As you can see, the story is now broken down into 13 shots, meaning we will create 13 different animations to bring it to life now. Let's start creating our first shot in Shot 1. You can see that the featured character is male cat. So first copy the text for Shot 1 from ChatGPT. Next, go back to the consistent character section here. Select the character cat from the list. You can either type the action and scene manually, or simply paste the description you copied from ChatGPT. Just make sure to remove any unnecessary details so that the AI focuses only on the important parts. Now select the aspect ratio and click Generate. Here's the result. Our character is sitting on the coffee table looking exactly the same as the one we created earlier. Let's try another scene. Copy the text for Shot 2. In this scene, the featured character is the female cat. So we will select female cat from the character list, paste the scene description, and click Generate. Here's the result. You don't need to manually add character details. Just select the character, write the scene and action you want, and let the AI do the rest. DZine AI has a feature that allows you to add multiple characters into a single scene with just a few simple clicks. To do this, first create an image where both characters are featured. Don't worry if the characters don't look exactly right. At first, we will fix that in the next step. Once the image is generated, click on Insert Character. Now select the lasso tool and carefully outline the area where you want to insert the character. This helps the AI understand exactly where the new character should be placed. Next, choose the character you want to insert from the list and describe the action or scene in the text box. Once everything is set, click Generate, and here's the result. Amazing, right? The character looks the same as before. Keeping consistency across all the scenes, using these same steps, you can create all the images for your story. If any scene features multiple characters, just use the Insert Character feature to add them with perfect accuracy. Now here are all the images I created for the full story. As you can see, every character remains consistent in every scene, making the visuals look smooth and professional. Now that all the images are ready, it's time to download them all. Next, I'll show you how to animate these images using DZine AI video feature. From the left sidebar L, click on AI video. Here you will see all the latest AI models available in popular tools like Kling 1.6, Minimax, Hailuo, Runway, and DZine AI standard model. For now, I'll choose Kling 1.6. To make the animation more detailed and realistic, I created a special ChatGPT prompt that helps generate animation descriptions. This prompt will help describe camera movements, facial expressions, and character actions for each scene. I will share all the prompts at your request. Here's how to use it. Copy the prompt and give it to ChatGPT. Then paste each scene one by one, and ChatGPT will generate an animation description for that scene. Once you get the description, copy it. Now go back to DZine AI video feature and upload the scene image you want to animate. Paste the animation description you just copied L and set the duration for the video. Once everything is set, click Generate to create the animation. Repeat these steps for all images to bring each scene to life. And here are the results. Pretty amazing, right? Now download all the animations. After downloading then, you can move it to CapCut for editing. You already know how to do that. If you would try this, just drop a comment below. See you in the next one.